In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can allow Siri to announce calls. You can simply enable Siri to announce your incoming calls on your iPhone in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. On the scroll down onto the option of Siri and search. On this page, select this option of Announce Calls. Select the option of Always. When this option is enabled, you can also answer incoming calls without saying "Hey, Siri." You can also enable Siri to announce notifications. Just get back and select Announce Notifications. Enable this option on and Siri will read for you notifications, and you can also respond to them with your voice. That's how easy it is to enable Siri to announce incoming calls and notifications on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.